With connected banking in Release 6.0, you can now bring your bank directly into TallyPrime. Our seamless solution bridges the gap between accounting and banking, offering a single, unified solution for all your financial operations. Log in to your connected banking using your email as your tally.net ID. With a simple OTP-based two-factor authentication, we ensure that the entire experience is safe and secure. Now you can securely connect your bank account to TallyPrime using your bank credentials. Once you connect to your bank accounts with TallyPrime, the need to access your bank portal every time is eliminated. The robust API integrations between the connected banking platform and our partner banks enable secure encrypted access to your bank data within TallyPrime. Using connected banking, you can view live bank balances across multiple accounts in a single click, along with a detailed breakup, providing you a complete view of your finances. You can also view these balances while making payments or reconciling your books with bank, keeping you in control of your cash flows. With connected banking, you can also access real-time bank statements within TallyPrime to ensure your books are in sync with your bank. With just a few clicks, get your bank statement updated in TallyPrime and stay informed about transactions as they happen at the bank. Easily keep your books updated and reconciled with your bank at all times. Track cash flow effortlessly, enabling quick decision making and ensuring every transaction is accounted for. With TallyPrime's connected banking, simplify your financial management, reduce errors, and make smarter, faster business decisions.